Welcome to the video. Today, we'll tackle a common problem that many data analysts face when working with big Spark data frames. The issue at hand is the need to perform a cumulative sum over several columns in a grouped and ordered manner, but encountering errors with the usual methods. Let's delve into the solution provided for this problem. By utilizing the Databricks environment and the Spark 3.5.0 version, we can efficiently handle the task at hand. The initial step involves setting up the necessary libraries and connecting to Spark using the appropriate method. Additionally, we showcase a snippet of the mCars dataset to provide a context for our subsequent actions. To further address the problem, we continue by showcasing the code snippet that efficiently handles the cumulative sum operation on the specified columns within the Spark data frame. By utilizing the mutate function along with group_by, window_order and mutate, we can accomplish the desired cumulative sum over the designated columns. This approach offers a streamlined and effective solution to the initial problem at hand. Expanding on the solution provided earlier, we now focus on the detailed query output generated by the defined operations. By incorporating the dplyr show_query function into our workflow, we can easily visualize and verify the SQL query being executed. This step ensures transparency and clarity in understanding the underlying operations performed on the Spark data frame. Continuing with the solution path, we now explore an alternative approach using the mutate_at function in conjunction with the specified columns and the cumsum function. By leveraging tidy select capabilities and defining the target columns, we can seamlessly execute the cumulative sum operation across multiple columns. This approach offers flexibility and scalability when dealing with diverse datasets and analytical requirements. In summary, we have successfully navigated through the problem of performing a cumulative sum on grouped and ordered Spark data frames by implementing a series of efficient and tailored solutions. By harnessing the power of Databricks, Spark 3.5.0, and versatile dplyr functions, we've achieved a streamlined and effective workflow. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. See you next time.